In just 3 months, by uploading only 37 videos, how much do you think a YouTube channel can grow? I know what you're thinking. Bro, what can you achieve with just 37 videos? You need at least 100 videos to grow a channel. Well, take a look at this channel. It uploaded only 37 videos and has already gained 106,000 subscribers. And the views? You'll be shocked. Many of its videos have hundreds of thousands of views, and its most popular video has already crossed 1 million views. Besides that, you can see several other videos performing extremely well. Almost every second video on this channel is going viral. You might also notice that all of its popular videos went viral within the last 2 months. The reason is simple. This channel was created on March 22nd. And if we talk about earnings, just take a look at how much VidIQ estimates this channel is making every month. Since the channel is monetized, it's also earning through YouTube memberships. As you can see, one of its popular members-only videos has almost 4,000 likes. The best part is that this niche still has very low competition. Now, here's the second channel. It has uploaded only 49 videos, and with those 49 videos, it has already reached 100,000 subscribers. And I probably don't even need to tell you that its videos are getting massive views as well. So, if you also want to work on this idea, watch this video until the end. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers in just 1 month. To better understand the type of content these channels create, watch one of their videos. That will give you a much clearer idea of the style of content they're producing. These channels create health tips and make videos specifically for older adults and seniors. To create these videos, we'll use Claude. First, open Claude. Once you're inside Claude, you'll need a master prompt. Don't worry, I have already written a master prompt specifically for this type of channel. Open the PDF, copy the video topic prompt, and paste it into Claude. A lot of effort went into creating this prompt. Once you've copied the entire prompt, simply paste it into Claude and run it. Claude will generate 50 video topic ideas, each focused on a different part of the body. From there, you can choose any topic you want, such as liver health, kidney health, or any other health-related topic. After selecting your video topic, the next thing you'll need is a script. Go to the Google Doc and copy the video script prompt completely. Then paste it into Claude and run the prompt. Claude will ask you for your video topic. For this example, let's choose topic number 32 and give it to Claude. Now Claude starts writing the script. It usually takes 5 to 10 seconds, but the results are extremely professional. As you can see, Claude has written an 18-minute script. If you want, you can ask it to make the script shorter or longer. For example, if I read a few lines from the script, there is a stretch that almost every American does every single morning. You can see that the script is written specifically for seniors, and the opening hook is very engaging. Now the next step is creating the avatar. We'll use Google Flow. Simply open Google Flow and click New Project. Then go back to the Google Doc, copy the avatar prompt, and paste it into Google Flow. Set the following settings. Image 16:9 Nano Banana Pro model. Then run the prompt. Google Flow will generate an AI doctor avatar. Now that our avatar is ready, we need to turn it into a video. For that, we'll use HeyGen. Simply open the HeyGen website. HeyGen can generate videos up to 30 minutes long in a single click. Click on Avatar, then select Create Avatar. You'll see 2 options. You can either create your own avatar or use a virtual avatar. We'll choose the virtual avatar option. Now simply upload the avatar you generated. Enter the avatar's name, then select a voice. You can clone your own voice if you want, but we'll use a voice from the HeyGen voice library. It offers voices in up to 100 languages. After selecting the voice, click the 3 dots on the avatar and choose Build Scene by Scene. A new interface will open. On the right side, you'll see an option to paste your script. Simply copy the script that Claude generated and paste it there. On the left side, you'll also have the option to change the voice and choose your avatar. Once all the settings are complete, click Generate. Within 1 minute, your video will be ready. As you can see, the video looks very professional, and even the avatar's hand movements look natural. Now we just need to edit the video. For editing, open your preferred editing software. For this example, we'll use CapCut. Import all the data into CapCut first. Import the AI avatar video that you created in HeyGen. After that, import all the stock footage, images, icons, background music, and any other assets you'll be using in the video. Organize everything on the timeline so editing becomes much easier. Now, start matching the visuals with your script. Whenever the avatar talks about a specific body part, such as the liver, kidneys, heart, or brain, add relevant stock footage or images on the screen. This makes the video much more engaging and helps viewers understand the information better. You don't need to create complicated edits. Simply cut out any unnecessary pauses, zoom in slightly during important points, and use smooth transitions between clips. Add text overlays to highlight key health tips, important facts, or warnings. This makes your videos look much more professional and increases audience retention. You can also use simple animations for your text and images. Avoid using flashy effects because the target audience for these videos is seniors. A clean and simple editing style works much better for this niche. Whenever you're explaining a medical condition or giving a health tip, try to show related visuals on the screen instead of leaving only the avatar visible. You can download high-quality stock videos and images from Pexels or Pinterest, and if needed, you can also use royalty-free footage from other stock websites. To make the video feel more premium, add light background music at a low volume so it doesn't overpower the voice. You can also include subtle sound effects when new points appear on the screen. These small details make a huge difference in the overall quality of the video. Finally, watch the entire video once before exporting. Check for any spelling mistakes, timing issues, or missing visuals. If everything looks good, export the video in 1080p with a high bitrate to maintain the best possible quality. And that's it. Your professional health video is ready to upload. So, that's the complete roadmap for starting a health niche YouTube channel. If you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I genuinely read the comments and reply to them. I'll see you in the next video.
There is something happening inside the bodies of people who walk every single day, who garden, who take the stairs instead of the elevator, who genuinely believe they are doing everything right. And most of them have no idea it's happening. It is not about being lazy. It is not about skipping the gym. It is a process that can quietly progress in people who are, by every normal measure, active. Stay with me, because later I want to walk you through exactly how to check whether this is happening to you and what actually reverses it, because the answer surprises a lot of people, including some who work in fitness for a living.